Well viewers, it's time to put on your thinking caps and fill in the gaps in another edition of everyone's favourite Terabyte game show, Surely You Can't Be Serious. Thanks folks, and welcome to Surely You Can't Be Serious, the quiz show designed to embarrass only one person, that being me. You know the rules by now. I'll give you 10 crazy confessions about my life, each with an important detail missing, and you have to choose between A, B and C options to unlock the horrible truth. And don't forget to keep track of your score, because the amount of correct answers you get wins you a totally awesome and completely fictional prize. Let's begin with a few easier questions relating to things that I've definitely mentioned in previous videos. Confession number 1. So far, I have 3 tattoos, but what are they? Is it A, a tree, a horse and a name, B, a tree, a bird and a band logo, or C, a flower, a bird and some song lyrics? I think any attentive Terabyte fan would know that the correct answer is B, a tree, a bird and a band logo. Tree, which I got a couple of months ago, bird, my first tattoo when I was 18, and Queen's first band logo, which I got a couple of years ago. Confession number 2. I've only ever had one type of pet and it's a bit of a weird one. Is it A, a type of shrimp, B, a type of lizard, or C, a type of insect? The correct answer is A, a type of shrimp. I'm allergic to practically all animals, and the only ones that don't cause my lungs to close up are aquatic ones. And just over a year ago, I got into raising a type of shrimp called triops, and they are so weird but so cute. A couple of them have appeared in various videos, and as you can see, they look pretty freakish, but they're the cheekiest, most adorable little buggers I've ever seen. Confession number 3. I've played a fair few gigs in my time, but which of these British folk acts did I support once? Is it A, Noah and the Whale, B, Johnny Flynn, or C, Ben Howard? The correct answer is C, Ben Howard. I mentioned this in my Draw My Life video as one of the things I did during university. The band I was in at the time was picked to support Ben Howard at Leeds Cockpit almost a year before his first album came out, and I still have the Backstage Access All Areas sticker on my wardrobe. Confession number 4. Which seasonal holiday is my birthday 2 days before? Is it A, Christmas, B, Easter, or C, Valentine's Day? The correct answer is A, Christmas. I love winter and the festive period, so I don't really mind having my birthday around Christmas. The only annoying thing is that if I attempt to throw any kind of party, everyone's usually way too busy late Christmas shopping to actually show up, so forever alone. Okay, these ones have been a little obvious, so let's crank up the difficulty, shall we? Confession number 5. I love superheroes, but if I really had to choose just one favourite, who would it be? Is it A, Spider-Man, B, Thor, or C, Batman? This was actually really hard. I sat there for about 10 minutes trying to whittle them all down, but in the end, I went with C, Batman. Iron Man was a strong contender, as was Thor, but in the end, I think I chose Batman because his story's just so well etched into my brain by now, and I know he falls short on a lot of things, but I'm just fond of him. If you were getting kidnapped in an alley or something and Batman showed up, you wouldn't be disappointed, would you? Anyway, let's move on quick before I change my mind and pick Iron Man instead. Confession number 6. You guys know that I love gaming, but which 2 MMORPGs was I a beta tester for? Is it A, World of Warcraft and Guild Wars, B, Lord of the Rings Online and Dungeons & Dragons Neverwinter, or C, Aeon and Age of Conan? The correct answer is B, Lord of the Rings Online and Dungeons & Dragons Neverwinter. I put myself forward for almost any MMO that's going into beta because it's so much fun to test out a new world before it's unveiled to the public. If you've never done it before, you should definitely give it a go. The only downside was that when Lord of the Rings Online went live, it completely wiped all the beta testers' characters and we had to start all over again, whereas Neverwinter let us keep them. Confession number 7. If I was a stick of rock, I'd say England all the way through, but I almost ended up living in a different country altogether when I was a teenager. Was it A, America, B, Italy, or C, Finland? The correct answer is C, Finland. Me and my mum absolutely love Scandinavia, and we've been going on holiday all over it since about 2005, and one year we actually started researching how much it would cost to move to Finland. We talked to estate agents and started learning Finnish and everything, but moving countries is a little more complicated than we thought for, so my mum decided we should stay put for now. But I still love you, Finland, oled paras. Okay, it's time for the last 3 confessions. Put your thinking caps into turbo drive. Confession number 8. Me and some friends got into trouble in high school for trying to find rude images by googling what word? Was it A, buns, B, baps, or C, sausages? The correct answer is B, BAPS. Most high schools have a filter that won't let you access anything rude or non-study related, so we decided to Google image search some seemingly innocent words that might bring up some saucy pictures. Strangely enough, buns didn't work back then, but BAPS certainly did, and still does, I've checked. Never have bread rolls been so amusing. Confession number 9. I was once shown in the audience of an episode of which British comedian's TV show? Was it A, John Bishop's Only Joking, B, Russell Howard's Good News, or C, Michael McIntyre's Comedy Roadshow? The correct answer is A, John Bishop's Only Joking. I've been in the audience for a couple of TV shows actually, but this one was the best because we got to see John Bishop and about 4 other comedians for free and be on TV at the same time. And finally, confession number 10. What was the first swear word I ever learned? Was it A, shit, B, fuck, or C, wank? Rather inappropriately, the correct answer is B, fuck. I arrived at the school gates, a 10 to 4-year-old on my first day at school, pondering what wonders I would learn on this momentous day. And then some girls came up to me and taught me this rhyme. My name is Elvis Presley, girls are sexy, sitting in the backseat, drinking Pepsi, having a baby in the Navy, do me a favour, fuck off. Yep, that was a productive first day at school, and I've used that word almost every day since. Valuable lesson. And thus concludes this episode of Surely You Can't Be Serious. Thanks for playing along, and now it's time to claim your exclusive prize, so add up your score and find it on the board to win big. See you next time, folks.